As I told them today, this will happen this year, it will happen next year, it will happen the year after that, etc., etc. So we have to think in those terms. But I think thus far, kailangan talaga natin, unfortunately, we are at the mercy of the weather. And there are areas na hindi pa natin mapasok, but mag-aantay tayo pagbaba ng tubig. We're finding ways, kahit may baha, siyempre may mga rubber boat, meron tayo para magpadala ng doktor, magpadala ng gapmang, ng relief goods, o kung hindi, para i-evacuate yung tao. So, we just continue to do what we always do. And so far, we are using the lessons that we learned from the previous storms, and it is serving us well. And I hope that the weather gets better. Thank you very much. Good morning.